In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image to your SurveyMonkey survey. We're going to keep this simple and make sure you feel confident doing it on your own. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the SurveyMonkey homepage. Once you're in, go to your dashboard and open the specific survey you want to edit. If you're working with multiple projects, just choose the one where an image will help clarify your message or make the layout more engaging. Inside your survey, switch to Design Survey. This is the area where you control the look and structure of your questions and pages. On the left side, you'll see the main toolbar. Make sure you're on the Build tab since that's where all the content elements live. If you don't immediately see the option you need, click View More to expand the full list of building blocks. From there, choose Image. This tool lets you place a visual element exactly where you want it. You can click into a specific spot in your survey and insert the image you wish. Use a clean, high-quality file that supports your message without overwhelming the page. If your image feels large, consider resizing it before uploading so it loads quickly and looks crisp for respondents. Common formats like JPEG and PNG work well, and a reasonable file size helps keep your survey snappy on both desktop and mobile. Once the image is inserted, you'll see it appear in the layout. Take a moment to check its position relative to your question text or instructions. If it feels off, simply adjust its placement or drag it to a more natural spot so it reads clearly from top to bottom. Think about how it will look to someone taking the survey for the first time. The image should support the question, not distract from it. Use the preview to make sure everything looks right on different screen sizes. If your survey includes multiple pages, navigate through a couple of them to confirm spacing is consistent. Keep your visuals purposeful. Logos, diagrams, or example screenshots typically work best. When you're happy with how it looks, your change is effectively complete. That's all there is to it. You've gone to SurveyMonkey, opened your survey, navigated to Design Survey, selected Build, expanded View More, chosen Image, and inserted the image you want. Clean, clear, and done. If you found this helpful, follow the same approach for any other page in your survey to keep the experience cohesive for your respondents. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.